Hey guys, huge welcome back to the channel. I hope you're well. Meme coin fans out there are probably very much aware that Shiba's third birthday is here, so we could see some dog themed coins pump over the next few days. But the coin I want to talk about is this one right here, Bone, because I've been buying this since 75 to 85 cents range, and ever since I did buy down here at these lows, it's looked pretty good. The price has just continuously gone up. The price action has been bullish. We've seen a lot of positive price momentum here for this token. So we can see 92% of the total supply is circulating at the moment with a $376 million market capital, ranked 91. So still got a lot of upside potential by the next crypto bull run. And what this coin is, effectively, it is the governance token, or it is the governance token of the Shibaswap decentralized exchange. So that's really, really big stuff. And I think because it is tied in so heavily with Shiba, part of the ecosystem, as you can see on Shibaswap here, where you have Shiba, you have Leash, and also Bone, the governance voting token. I think it just makes a nice recipe for a token that could pump much, much higher in the future. So we're going to look at this coin very quickly today, Bone, as it does have a fantastic looking monthly chart from $1.05 up to $1.64 on the 7 days. It's just been booming, looking super nice. And on the last 24 hours, it has pumped quite exponentially, especially against Bitcoin. Actually 8% on the day right now, which looks super nice. So that is exactly what Bone Shibaswap is all about, guys. But I want to look at some technical analysis with you guys. Of course, we've got the Shiba token, great looking website. We've got the Shibaswap decentralized exchange. Do like my dexes a lot, but we're just going to look at some price analysis, and I think it's all down to big news like this. So for example, Shiba Inu team excited as Bone listed on the Changely, centralized exchange right there. So this is of course big stuff as well for volume, but looking at the volume factors in contrast to other coins that are listed on many more exchanges, I still think it's got a long way to go. We can see here on the market side of things, Bone is barely listed on any major markets just yet. They're not really driving in tons of volume, and I think there's more space to the upside. One day this could get listed on things like Binance, and if it did happen, it would of course naturally look really good. So we can see Changely, a non-custodial cryptocurrency exchange, recently just added support for Shiba Inu's governance token, Bone. This move will allow users to swap Bone for more than 500 cryptocurrencies on the Changely platform. And you can see Changely were pretty bullish about this partnership acquisition right there, and they did get this particular news pumped out and really hyped up for everybody. So we can see the development comes at a time Bone is garnering attention from European investors. In particular, it has become the second most watched crypto asset in the Netherlands, as shown by recent data from CoinGecko. Founded in 2015, Changely is a leading crypto trading platform with over 2 million users. It allows users to trade over 500 cryptocurrencies at low fees. And here we can see the Shiba token. Bone has landed on Changely team. Unleash your Shiba army spirit and let your bark be heard through the doggy DAO. So that's pretty cool stuff. We can see here this accumulation range where I've been really looking at tightly over the last, I want to say a few months actually, to be fair, because when I saw this peak up here in September 2022, I was thinking, right, this is definitely ready to cool down, and it did come down, and I missed this opportunity down here, and I said to myself, on the second time it comes here, I'm going to grab some no matter what. So what we could potentially see is, I would love to see a nice bullish classic double bottom reversal pattern, really big pump up to the upside through to the $3 mark, which would be my selling point, to be honest. I mean, if I bought down here, I'm happy with a 5x. So that's the target that I'm looking out for this particular coin. It would be fantastic to see from a Fibonacci point of view. It also takes us up to the 1618 target, which is effectively a more realistic area that we could see the pump here for this coin. But yeah, in a way, it's looking really bullish. And the last few days for this coin, I mean, look at this on the daily time frame. We've had 2, 4, 6, 8 consecutive green candles for Bone. So there's a good chance we may start to see a correction, of course, after this euphoric move. And what we do know from the previous data is at this resistance trend line, we do usually get rejected. So there is every chance it could come up to about $1.87 and then actually trickle back down to this support range once again. I can't tell the future, of course, but that is the bearish scenario right there, is getting a rejection off this resistance and then moving down to, well, the 0.75 and 0.85 range all again. But I do think with all the good news on the way for this ecosystem, positive price movement to the upside is more realistic. Now, before we hit that $3 price mark, if we ever do, naturally we do have other resistances in the way, such as this one right here. So again, $2.11 is going to be a bit of a resistance because of the rejection that we had here in February 2023, but I would be looking out for these particular price levels as well. If you're also new to the Jacob Crypto Clan, make sure you get yourself into the Discord down below. We're looking at trading signals, we're looking at straight to DEX coins, stealth launches, technical analysis, basically everything you could think you would need. We're trying our best to fulfill this. You can become a crypto hunter, crypto warrior, crypto champion, or even a crypto legend, depends on what you want to get with the money that you decide to spend. But we're going to try and cover all things like technical analysis, glassnode on-chain data, spot trade signals, leverage trade signals, and to be fair, we have some really nice trading setups here. People are doing great with the trading cards and they're really just enjoying the environment. Here's a little sneak peek of how some of the trading signals do look. So if you want those signals delivered straight in to your sort of Discord channels and set reminders and notifications, you will get those sent to you, because you've got so many different guys providing some very nice insights, talking about take profit zones, stop loss zones, entry zones, all that good juicy stuff. So there's a link down to the Patreon and Discord below. And overall, I think Bone is looking pretty bullish at the moment. I hope we can see some more continuation to the upside for these particular coins. And happy birthday, Shiba Army. What a great time to be in the crypto space. Subscribe if you're new here, like, comment, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.